Yo, today was a good day, man.
Yeah.
Me and my boy Q got it done. We knocked out 87 properties today.
Woo!
Huh? And what time is it? 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. 87 properties by 3 o'clock.
Yep. We on the edge of the islands, and we gave one strip all the way down.
There you go. Just one strip. We didn't mow the whole thing, guys. All we did was one strip, each property. And then tomorrow we'll do the same thing.
So they have 2 passes.
There you go. There you go. All right, guys. Good morning, guys. Beautiful morning. So for you guys that have been following us, we just picked up this new property. Basically, we do it anytime the service member is deployed. So, and again, we do this one, we do that one, and we do that one. So we picked up this one. costs you money. Anytime you start a property, it doesn't matter if you're there every week, always walk the property first, right? And take a look and ensure that nothing is broken, and you know, you can be held liable for it. Okay, all right. And that was just because of my laziness, but again, it ain't gonna happen again. All right, this is what we look like. Nice and beautiful. You can tell it's drying up, so she's gonna have to water just a little bit more. Look at that. So let me see how this is dry. The customer still wants it cut, right? Just to make it nice and pretty and even. What we are finding is that a lot of people, landscapers are coming out here and they are scalping these things. They're taking it down all the way down. And as a matter of fact, we picked up 2 brand new properties because the customer kept complaining that the lawn care provider is, they keep asking for higher, taller grass, but anytime they show up, they take it down lower and lower and lower. If you cut the edge, turf line it, and mow it just a little bit high, and just take off the little tippy top, then it's gonna look nice. You see what I mean? And the customer will come out and they will be happy. You know, don't come out here. Again, a suggestion, don't come out here and scalp these lawns, because again, we picked up 2 customers, just for that simple fact. All right? Okay. Let's keep it moving. You got the keys, man. Have a great one, guys. Pop smoke. Peace.